Ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name is Marcin Kuryło and I present BCC company. Welcome to the webinar SAP Solution Manager 7.2, what is new. Today's webinar is leading by SAP consultant Jacek Kopania. And if you will have any questions, use please chat window on the panel, and we will try to answer every question on the end this webinar. Also welcome, and Jacek, please continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jacek Kopania and I'm SAP consultant. Today I'd like to introduce you what's new in SAP Solution Manager 7.2. We talk about the licensing, SAP Solution Manager landscape, installation, and actually we answered the question which way we're supposed to go. Should we install new SAP Solution Manager or just upgrade the current version to the new one? We'll talk about the key changes in applications in SAP Solution Manager 7.2, and in the end we'll talk about the benefits after implementation. So let's start from the introduction. Let's start from the introduction. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 actually is cooperating with the same application as 7.1, with one biggest difference, which is much easier to use user interface and few new tools which helps to work with SAP Solution Manager. So here you can see all the cycle of the application lifecycle management. So as in the 7.1, we work with the upgrade management, which help us with the upgrades, solution documentation, which is for documentation in SAP Solution Manager, so you can document all of your business processes according to SAP systems and non-SAP systems. Then you can use solution implementation, which is helping with implementation of and maintaining of the solutions in your Solution Manager. You can use template management to organize your templates for a project. So if you have any implementation project or maintenance, you can just define your template for every kind of the project in here. Next one is test management. This one is helping with manual tests and automatic test cases according to SAP Solution Manager and satellite systems. Change control management is helping with change management, which means all of the transports and approvals will be controlled by the charm application designed for it. Next one is incident management, which helps you to process all of the incidents around the solutions. So if you have any problem with the current solution which is in production use, you can just request new incident, and if there will be any need, you can just move to the change control and create new transport to fix it. Next, the applications are technical operations. Technical operations helps you with the satellite systems monitoring. So if you need to monitor any DB database or operation system or any application system, all of the informations are accumulated in the technical operations, which are processed by MI, which is monitoring and alerting infrastructure. Next one is business process operations. So here you can monitor all of the business processes around your organization. Maintenance management, that helps you with all of the upgrades. So here you can find all of the support packages or any upgrade files, everything what you need to upgrade to the next version. Next application is custom code management. Custom code management helps you with management of your own code. So if you have any developments, you can check it in custom code management. If any of the codes are outdated, you can just easily find it and delete it, or just fix it to the SAP standards. So all of these applications are still supported by SAP Solution Manager 7.2. Next step, we talk about the new user interface, about dashboards and new apps. Actually, in SAP Solution Manager 7.2, you can see whole new screen. I mean that when you go into Solomon Workcenter transaction, as you know it from 7.1, you will see completely new view, which is currently used for SAP Launchpad as well. So you will see all of this, all the applications, as you can see on this blue screen on the left. So you can personalize this view to your own needs. You can assign new apps or just delete apps if you're not using anymore. All of that is and based on your authorization in your SAP Solution Manager 7.2. So next thing is new dashboards. The core of this mechanism is still the same of the monitoring. So we are still using monitoring and alerting, but the way it's showing us it's completely different. So everything is much user-friendly in Solution Manager 7.2. It's much easier to work with a new version, and you have a few new apps. So if you need something like requirement management, you can start it directly from Solomon Workcenter, and it just create new requirement need or any other needs you get in your organization. What about the license? There is no additional license cost, so it's same like before. All the SAP Solution Manager are completely free if you have any other SAP system in your landscape. Actually, SAP Solution Manager is always mandatory system to perform any kind of upgrades and the support packages installations. But there is one important thing, that the SAP provide for you new SAP HANA DB license for free, but only for SAP Solution Manager 7.2. So what does it mean for you? It means that you can install your new SAP Solution Manager 7.2 on SAP HANA DB and just see how it's working. You can use it productively, and if you need, you can just migrate the rest of your system to the SAP HANA DB, but you don't need to. And then you will stay just with Solution Manager 7.2 on new HANA. And there's one more important information about the end of maintenance for SAP Solution Manager 7.1. As SAP said, that's the end of the 2017, so there's just few months left to prepare your new SAP Solution Manager. So you need to choose how you want to move to new SAP Solution Manager. Do you want to install new system or just upgrade the old one? And if you want to install new SAP Solution Manager or just prepare upgrade, here's the path you will go through with the installation. So let's say you have currently you have a SAP Solution Manager 7.1 that's a dual stack with single instance and DB, actually any kind of DB on it except HANA. You will upgrade it to the new version, so it's still dual stack, it's still same database as it was before, but the new version, and this step is mandatory as well as the next one. So Next step, you will need to split your instances. You will have to split ABAP from Java to two separate instances, but still on same DB as before. So you have a Solution Manager, ABAP and Java completely separate with one DB, actually same DB as before. And optional, actually, what you can do next, but you don't need to, is the migration to new HANA DB. So as you can see, you will have exactly two separate instances, but on new HANA DB, and all of that is for free. So what we're supposed to do? Should we just go with the installation of the new SAP Solution Manager, or just upgrade the last SAP Solution Manager that we got in this old version? So if you want to install new version, it's much quicker and easier to perform it, and it's recommended for all of the old versions. I mean, for SAP Solution Manager 7.0. So if you have so all the Solution Manager, best way is to install a new one. If you are using your SAP Solution Manager only for maintenance optimizer and EVA reports, then definitely you can start with new installation, as you have no sensitive information on SAP Solution Manager. So who's supposed to perform an upgrade? As I think, and the SAP recommends, that should be performed by everyone who's using one of the applications like solution documentation, Charm, ITSM, project management, SAP Tower, or business process monitoring. So if you are using one of these applications, it will be best way to upgrade directly from 7.1 to 7.2. As there is many informations like your documentation, all of your changes, transports, incidents, test cases, test scripts. So you can lose a lot of data if you are not upgrade this way. So main changes in the applications. So in this. In here we can see a few changes, like in Solution Manager, Solution Documentation, we have a few, we can see all of the processes in graphical way, which is included in the Solution Documentation. The structures in Solution Documentations are extended from 3 to unlimited levels. So if you have any business process that needs more than just 3 steps in your structure, you just need to add it, and there's no limitations. What about test management? Actually, it's still working same like in 7.1, except that you have a few useful things there. So you can download SAP recommendation and test cases directly from SAP and just go through it. So let's say you will get manual test cases telling you how to test a specific business process around your implementation. So if you want to implement new SAP HANA DB, you will just get the free and ready test case, manual test case, which you just need to go through and test your system. The second difference is that the CBTA is included in SAP Solution Manager test management right now. So that's the application which is helping you to perform all of the automatic scripts on your subsystems, satellite systems. Next one is project management, and requirements management. So here project management is separate application, not like before. It was strongly connected with project management of the Charm in Solar Project admin transaction. Currently, that's completely separate, and in the project management, you can manage all of your users, IT resources, and so on. But there is one important application added, which is requirements management. It's helping you to communicate with end users, and it's helping you to get the information about the requirements, about the software, hardware they need to get to install or to implement on your system. Next one is change and request management and IT service management. So this application actually didn't change much. Biggest difference is actually interface, or rather skin used for these two applications. So it's still the same, working good as before with new view. Application operations, here you are using monitoring. As I said before, you have a new dashboard prepared, so you will see all of the informations collected from satellite system in completely new views. Data volume management, still working same as before. You can get information about all of the data volumes used on your satellite systems. You will know when your DB will grow. You will know how many resources you can get back from comparison of your DB, so you can get a lot of information, and you can include it in your EVA reports. Landscape management actually didn't change much from the last version. Only some additional functions like branches, nothing more. Custom code management still same. Still you can get all of the most important information about the code that is changed in your systems. SAP engagement and service delivery, of course same. It's still helping you with all of the services provided by SAP, which you will order from them. So next key changes in apps is that the SAP Fiori apps are added, so it's much easier to work with incidents, system recommendations, and system monitor. So here you can get all of the most important information about the security nodes, and you will see it in really clear view. Next thing is incidents that you can create, display, and actually manage all of them from simple view without any additional functions. And all of that is in simple for Fiori apps prepared by SAP. So most important benefits from implementation of SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is that there is no hardware, no additional hardware requirements. So if you will perform your split of the SAP Solution Manager, there will be no any additional space you need to prepare for your SAP Solution Manager. No any additional resources, no CPUs, no memory. If you are still using the same applications, there will be no need to add any kind of resources to your system. There is still free license for SAP Solution Manager 7.2. There is additional free license for SAP HANA DB, but only for SAP Solution Manager. And you will get a package of the SAP Fiori apps which help you to work with your SAP Solution Manager 7.2. And that's all I got for you today. So if you have any questions, please ask in the chat window.
Okay, there are no questions. Also, thank you very much for your participation. Thank you, Jacek. If you have any question in the future, please contact us and we will answer every of these questions. Thank you very much again, and see you to next BCC webinar. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.